Hi everybody. I hope you are all well and good. I am very happy to meet you all. First of all, welcome to all the grade 4 students for learning EVS. EVS is nothing but it is our interaction with the environment, which means human interaction with the environment. At the end, we can get the awareness about the environment. Before we get into our lesson, let us have some fun activity. Collect all the toys and keep it with you. We are going to learn chapter 2. Our topic is year to year. The lesson competencies are: first, observation; second, identification; third, discovering fact; and group activity. Let us come to our lesson. Observation. There are some animals pictures in the slides. Now, we are going to observe the animals' ears. Let us observe the animals' ears carefully. The animals' ears are different from each other. It is very interesting to see the animals' ears. Some look like fan, some look like leaf, etc. Have you ever think why do we have ears? Yes, ear helps us to hear. But in some animals we can see the ears. Some animals we cannot see the ears. Now we are going to watch animals whose ears we can see. For example, dog, elephant, tiger, and cow. Now we have the animals whose ears we cannot see. For example, parrot, duck, and peacock. To test our learning, let us take our toys animals collection and separate the animals whose ears we cannot see and whose animals' ears we can see. Children, I hope everybody have done your activity. Now I am going to recall what we have learnt already. First, we have observed the animals' ears. After your observation, now you know to identify the animals whose ears you can see and animals whose ears we cannot see. Now we can move on to the next. Fact is a true piece of information. Now let us discover the fact. The animals whose ears we can see have hair on the skin and give birth to the young ones. I repeat again, this is very important. The animals whose ears we can see have hair on the skin and give birth to the young ones. The next one, the animals whose ears we cannot see, they don't have hair on the skin and they lay eggs. I repeat again, the animals whose ears we cannot see, they don't have hair on the skin and they lay eggs. But there are some exception in this. For example, bat and owl, etc. Understand the information properly. Just we are going to apply these facts by small activity. Now close your eyes gently and imagine any one of the animal which you like most. Look at the ears of the animal. Can you see the ears of the animal? Find out whether the animal have hair on the skin or feather on the skin. The animal can lay egg or give birth to the young one. If you know to classify the animal, Then you are clear about the lesson content. Now gently open your eyes. Children, I hope you have learned the content of the lesson. Now let us do this exercise. Some animal names are given here. Just you are going to arrange the animals in the correct box. First box, ears can be seen. The second box has hair on the skin. Third box, ears cannot be seen. In fourth box, has feathers on the skin. As well, draw your favorite animal picture which has feather on its skin and enjoy by coloring it. Take your own time. Come to the next slide. It's going to be a fun. Yes. Are these animals are looking funny? Yes. Keep observing the picture. Find out correct ears and write them in the given space. The answer is here. Just check it. If your answer is correct, appreciate yourself by good, well done, and superb. If your answer is wrong, just make it correction. Then appreciate. The next exercise is just what you have learned, apply it here. You are going to write the animals whose ears we can see in the first box. In the second box, animals whose ears we cannot see. Again, the answer is here. Check it and correct it yourself. Observation. Keep looking the picture. Can you see their ears? No. You may have a doubt. The animal whose ears we cannot see, don't they have ears? Then how can they hear? They have tiny holes on the both sides of the head. Only we cannot see them. Let us listen some interesting fact. Birds have tiny holes. The holes are covered with feathers. Look at the lizard. Look at the crocodile. They have holes on their head, but we cannot see them easily. We have come to the end of our lesson. Let us now recall what we have learned already. We learned different ears of the animals. Animal whose ears we can see, the animal whose ears we cannot see. Again, animal which give birth to the young ones, the animal which lay egg. Children, now let us check our knowledge by doing these exercises. The first exercise is here. We are going to find out some other animals which have ears that we cannot see. The second exercise is we are going to name an animal with ears like fan, ears like leaves, ears on the top of the head, and ears on the both sides of the head. Children, I hope you have enjoyed learning this lesson. Also, involve and learn more information about animals. I'll meet you in the next lesson. Thank you.